I need to make a box for activated carbon. Box like this. I will use for this my profile for 0.8 mm nozzle for Creality Hyper ABS. We can rotate this. I can use the page up, page down, something like this. I won't see. Okay. We have the dimension 60, 45, 60 for the box. I will have, depend on this, change the speeds. I will choose my printer. Maybe I choose the 16. Is more details. Okay. Now I choose my QIDI nozzle 0.8, layer 0.16, and we have the dimensions 60, 45, 60, 60, 45, 60, and we see the speed is little less, is for 14 millimeter cubic. The speed will make more details better and better cooling for the box because it's not so big. First I make on the standard speeds, what I have here, the slice. Okay, I slice now. We see 2 hours 2 minutes. Now I can change the speeds. Is 150, 70, is 150, 70. I choose the enable ironing and support, for I can change speed. Infill is 120, 90, 70, 120, 90, 70, support 50, 50, 40, 40, 20, 50, 50, 40, 40, 20, dynamic overhang speed, dynamic overhang speed, 40, 30, 20, 10, 40, 30, 20, 10, okay, travel speed, we have 200, and 40, 70, 100, 40, 70, 100 power modifiers. Maximum speed we have 120 and 14 millimeter cubic. Now I take out this, we not need. And we see we have marked the speed. Now we can't do nothing if we not choose this here, the infill and support material. We see this now. Now we can change, but if we not turn on, we can't change nothing. Okay, now I use the speeds for the slice. Two hours, 8 minutes. Okay. I not save this all. I export the decoder. I send to my printer. Upload. ABS 0.8 nozzle. Okay, upload. This is ready for print. Now I make the cover. You can see the details. For is okay. Yes, all is okay. Other data will not change. In the field 15%, okay. 1 millimeter up and down, it's okay. This we not need. Support not need. Speed, multiple extruder not need. Here we have all. Precise height, precise wall, for more details. Okay. Control M. I not save the project. I don't need more. Discard. I don't want save the changes for the profile. Now I open the cover. The cover have size 44, 57 and 4. 44, 57 and 4. And we have other speeds for this. 44, 57 and 4. Okay. Also we can change. We must enabling for we can change and enable support. And we change the speeds. 70, 40, 50. 70, 40, 50. 80, 60, 50. 90, 60, 50. 40, 30, 30, 20. 40, 30, 30. 20. The dynamic overhang if we need. 30, 20, 20 and 10. 30, 20, 20 and 10. Travel 100 we need, not more. 30, 60, 100. 30, 60, 100. Maximum speed 80 and 10 millimeter cubic. Okay, we not save this. We not need more the enabling and support. And also we see now we can change the value. I will see how is better to print now. Yes, like that is good to print the cover. I make slice 14 minutes because it's not nozzle 0.8. I export, send to my printer also, and all is ready to print now. Now we see the printer finished print, and with the nozzle 0.8 millimeter is very good print. Less detailed, but it's faster and stronger. If we need something more beautiful, we must print with nozzle 0.4. And with this speeds what I print, I need little less temperature, about 240 degrees, not 250. But it's very good. For this detail, I not need something other, because this I put in place where no one more not see this. This is box for active carbon inside printer from ABS. Okay. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.